Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to create a poll on the YouTube. So how you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and if this video really helps you, or do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, make sure you have 1000 subscriber on the YouTube to do this. If you don't have 1000 subscriber, you won't be able to create a post on your YouTube channel. So if you have, simply you have to click on this plus icon, go to the create post. Once you will do it, here you will see different options. Simply click on the add a poll, and here you have to write any question like, you like my content? You can ask anything. Yes, no. Now simply post it from here. So this is the simple way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.